let's say you are opening your facility for the first time that day and you're looking to open all your programs. Here is what you would do for opening Uneekor and GSPro. The first thing you're going to want to do is open Uneekor Launcher. You're going to make sure that your launch monitor status is green. If that's not green, you're going to want to make sure that the physical on-off on the side of the device is showing red and that your device is plugged into the computer. Then you're going to want to open third-party connectors. So you're going to hit Start. If we start with View, that means that View software is going to run in the background, and every 1 to 200 sessions, you're going to have to close the program because it'll slow your computer down. So we're going to want to click Start, which is running the light version of the View software. What we're showing here is that third-party software is connecting to GSPro. We want to make sure our units are on Imperial if we are in North America. And this is searching for our third-party software, which is fine. That means that it wants us to open our GSPro. So now we're going to open GSPro. We're going to keep this window either open in the background or we can just minimize it. Once we open GSPro, we're going to make sure that this box here is unchecked. You're going to have to be quick with this because it only takes a couple seconds for that to load. Now, if this is defaulted to windowed, that means that your screen is going to be small like this. It's literally going to be in a window. We want to make sure that we uncheck this, and we want this to be the highest resolution possible. Now, to double check that, we're going to go to our display settings and type in display. We're going to open this up, and it's going to say what our display resolution is here for our current output, and this is 1920 by 1200. So we're going to go ahead and minimize this, double check that that also says 1920 by 1200. We're going to adjust our graphics quality if needed, depending on your computer's computing power, and then we're going to make sure that it is on the right monitor. So this means that if we have a computer monitor off to the right and we have a display off to the left, let's say our display is a projector, we want to make sure that this is highlighted for projector, which says left, and then our computer monitor will say right, or vice versa, depending on your setup. So if you hit play right now and it displays on the wrong screen, you're just going to have to close out GSPro, open this back up, and select the other screen, and then that will work. So right now we're going to hit play, and as you can see, this went full screen and it loaded up. What's important is while customers are playing, you want to make sure that all the programs we just opened are running in the background. So when this Uneekor Connect opens up, this green line is going to show that we are connected. If we were to hit exit right now, this will not connect with our Uneekor launcher, and balls are not going to be able to be recognized by the system. So we want to make sure that we just minimize this, and now we're good to go. We are in GSPro, everything is running, and then another way you can double check is that there's a green bar down here at the bottom. If this is red, rewatch the video and make sure that you're doing everything in the right order. If you're not doing it in the right order, it will not connect.
Pioneer, we build golf simulators.